And let me consider this as a motor neuron which is designed to innervate a muscle cell. Alright, consider this way, a motor neuron has got a cell body, and this cell body rise to dendritic branches. There are going to be plenty of dendritic branches starting from cell body, and the dendrites arborizes very extensively. And these cell body tapers to form a axon, and let's take the pink color one as an axon, guys. Let this be the axonal cylinder. And this axonal cylinder ends in axonal ending. And let's take these blue color structures as axonal ending. So one particular motor neuron do have multiple axonal ending, guys. They do have a multiple axonal ending. Now the importance is, consider it's a nucleus here, and we do have myelin cells, and these myelin cells are useful to facilitate action potential conduction in this neuron. Now that's the structure of a neuron, guys. Now let us go to see the structure of a muscle cell. I repeat, I am not going to tell you the structure of a muscle, I am going to tell you the structure of a cell belonging to a muscle. A muscle cell has got a cell membrane called a sarcolemma, and this sarcolemma is thrown into numerous small folds. And these folds are called as T-tubules. Alright, these folds on sarcolemma is going to be called as T-tubules, guys. At one point, if you consider, the cell membrane is going to get folded into very tiny folds. The folds that you have seen so far are going to look like an invagination. So these deeper folds are called as invagination, and these invaginations are called as T-tubules. These invaginations are going to be called as T-tubules. At one spot, the T-tubule ends and the membrane is going to be thrown into very tiny foldings. And those tiny foldings, guys, are what is called as motor end plate. So it's going to be tiny foldings, and these tiny foldings are going to be called as motor end plate, guys. And this motor end plate is the region where a neuronal ending comes and makes an anastomosis. So the green one, what you are seeing here, is going to be neuronal ending, or in another way, axonal ending. And this junction formed between axonal ending and a motor end plate, this junction is what is called as neuromuscular junction, people. So neuromuscular junction is not something formed between a nerve and a muscle. It is a junction happening between a neuronal ending and a muscle cell. It is a junction happening between neuronal ending and a muscle cell, guys. Remember this.